How to fix failed to find Roblox process. So, have you encountered situation like this that you cannot open your Roblox or you see this fail to find Roblox? So you just have to enter Windows plus R, and as you can see, we have here person symbol, app data, and person symbol. So you just have to type this one. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Just type person symbol, app data, person symbol, and then tap OK. And it will take you directly to this folder. Now what you're going to do is to simply scroll down and look for KRNL. And then actually they say that you can see this before KRNL, you can see it down here, but unfortunately now executor is already detected and didn't work. So you cannot see it now. I don't know why, but they said that that executor is already detected and didn't work in 2023 as per today or updated version. But anyways, if it will happen again or if you can see it again, all you have to do is to go to the sport, okay, right click and run that KRNL as administrator. And then you have to restart your Roblox and it will fix fail to find Roblox process. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.